Self.
Howard Salmon, Principal, Mandeville Primary Junior High.
Mr. Salmon, could you just inform me as to what is happening here today at Mandeville Primary and Junior High in terms of teachers not turning up for work?
29% of the teachers are at work today in the face-to-face mode, while the other 71%, they're either engaging our students online or they have applied for their sick leave or casual leave day.
Okay. So how has that affected the turnout of students on campus for today?
Well, the students, as I mentioned earlier, those who would have been informed in the course of the morning are online as we speak. The attendance for the face-to-face is obviously not what it used to